Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends. We're going to give you a little update on our garden boxes that we just showed you a video on weed control and no-till and animal control. So here's our tomatoes we did. When did you say we did them, Marcia?
We planted these, May 5th.
May 5th. And they're growing great. They're making tomatoes, no weeds, maybe a few but not many. I think a weed will come anywhere. Here's our peppers. We got some tomatoes. We used some black cow in this one, and I think we used a little bit too much, but we'll still put stuff in there and just see what that does. This didn't have black cow on the peppers. These are the peppers are growing. They're making plenty of peppers, blooming. These are little hot peppers. Yep, that's a pretty pepper. Got little pepperoncinis. These are bell peppers.
Yeah, my dad started these from seed. These, yeah.
And here's the box we're going to get ready. Got to put a little more dirt in it. We're going to put collards in that box. So that'll be coming up this fall, well in August. Then we got this box here. We got more tomatoes.
And these are Better Boys.
Better Boys. Marcia got them from Wakefield, Virginia. They're beautiful plants. And the weeds are unbelievably controllable.
Yeah, we are really pleased with the cardboard.
And these marigolds, Marcia transplanted them up between the boxes. They fall over in the fall and they come up in the spring. And we have plenty of those. Here's our cucumbers. We have a pickler and then a straight 8. They're growing good. The deer have not been in here yet, thank goodness. So hopefully they're not going to.
In this box.
And here's our jalapenos.
Yeah.
They're growing great. This box, we just finished it up and planted it. Then there's some
Yellow squash, wasn't it?
yellow squash, yes.
Yeah.
You didn't plant no cantaloupe up here, did you?
No, that's down somewhere else.
In the dirt pile. So anyway, we're doing good here. We have Egyptian walking onions, and we'll show y'all them in another video. Somebody asked for them on gardening boxes, and we used to ship them out to people. Maybe we'll get plenty this year, and we'll ship some to some people. So anyway, just wanted to give you, here's one growing. That just fell over in the road.
Okay, let me show how they get the little onions.
Your dad was talking about pearl onions. We're going to try eating some of these when they get bigger and see what they taste like. So that'll be another one. But anyway, just wanted to give y'all an update, and thank you for watching and happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Thank you.